Nakuha ko nito ang Gabriel. Kuha ko ni Gabriel. Hi.
Excuse me.
It's okay, thank you. I'm picking up Gabe. Gabriel.
Okay,
You want my ID?
no, because I recognize you. You're
Okay.
from the last name. So do you remember where he is?
No,
Come on through.
I never been inside here.
Oh, that's right. We had him up here.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah,
Let me take you to
this is my first time.
Oh,
Oh no, second time, but it's my first time to come inside.
yes.
Yeah.
Hi, sweet girl.
Hello.
Oh, it's warm
Oh.
up here.
Okay, it's
Okay.
warm.
Yes. So he's in the second building.
Second building. I always come in there. So I can come here sometimes?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
This is where his classroom is.
Okay.
The younger kids are kept over in that building.
Oh.
The older kids in this building.
Okay.
Mr. Gabe.
Gabriel!
Hi, Gabe. Hi.
Right here.
I love you. Hi, Granny.
He had some like bumps on his forehead, like they were itching him earlier, but they seem to have gone down. So he's okay
Okay.
now.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Bye, Gabriel.
Hey, be careful. Okay, Missy, where's the bump?
It's
in there?
gone.
It's gone.
I
Yeah.
had it like
Allergy?
a triceratops here.
Is that allergy?
Well, I wonder if it was maybe a heat rash or something. Maybe
Yeah, I
the
see it right
glasses
there.
on.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's kind of
I don't
a
know where
well
it got
point.
that.
Oh, I think I itched. I think I have hives at the sun, I think.
Okay, well, we'll
Okay.
tell your mom,
Yeah,
okay?
make sure you tell mom, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
So we can come outside there.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go straight through, just
Okay.
as we did when we came out here.
Okay, right here. And then go to
And
that door.
straight out the, and right by the office door, there's a little black pad on the wall.
Okay. Do you want me to sign?
No, I can go ahead and clock them out. You just hit this.
Right here.
Right here, you just wave it,
Oh,
and
right
it
there?
opens the door.
Oh, okay, next time.
You're good to go.
My students stay.
Thank you.
Well, let me
Oh,
just tell you.
that's
that
yours?
A couple of kids that wanted to play with it, and we had to stop.
So
them
his
from
mom,
playing
his
with
mom
it.
brought that here.
I'm assuming that she brought it so he could ride it home today.
You're the lucky boy. Okay, let's go. Be careful,
Good
okay?
afternoon.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Come on, baby. Come here. Right here. Come.
I know what you ride my scooter.
Okay, be careful. I'm gonna, because I don't want you to in the street. I wanna hold you, okay?
I'm
Say,
shaking.
say hi.
Hi.
Nah. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
There we go. Just